Are you dreaming of relocating to Greece? The breathtaking landscapes, delectable cuisine, and rich history await you. But before packing your bags, it's vital to understand Greece's tax residency rules. This guide will illuminate everything from what qualifies you as a tax resident to the practical considerations of living and working in Greece. By grasping the tax implications, you can ensure a smooth transition to this enchanting Mediterranean paradise without any financial surprises. At the heart of Greece's tax system lies the concept of tax residency, determining which country holds the right to tax your worldwide income. If you become a tax resident in Greece, you'll be taxed on your global income, but the rules surrounding tax residency can be nuanced. You might qualify as a tax resident simply by spending 183 days or more in Greece over any 12-month period. However, there are additional criteria that could qualify you even without hitting that 183-day mark, making it essential to fully understand the regulations. The 183-day rule is the cornerstone of Greek tax residency regulations. Simply put, if you reside in Greece for over half the year, you will automatically be classified as a tax resident. It's crucial to keep an accurate account of your days to ensure compliance, which is where digital tools like Pebbles can assist. By tracking your days spent in different countries, you can avoid accidentally triggering tax residency in jurisdictions you did not intend to claim. If you're ready to make Greece your new home and wish to establish tax residency, there are specific steps you need to follow. This includes registering with Greek tax authorities and compiling necessary documentation, such as proof of your address and income sources. Acquiring a Greek tax residency certificate is a critical step, as it confirms your tax status and is essential for managing your tax obligations. Remember, this certificate is valid for one tax year and may need annual renewal to maintain your residency status. Becoming a tax resident in Greece carries significant financial ramifications, which require prior planning. Greek residents face progressive income tax rates on their worldwide income and must file annual tax returns while reporting foreign assets. Additionally, Greece's various tax treaties help prevent double taxation but require awareness of your particular obligations. As you transition to life in Greece, it's crucial to have all of this information in hand to enjoy your new life without unwelcome financial troubles.